Hello everybody, welcome to another unboxing video of Andre and Nicole. Today we're going to unbox this UV sterilizing or cell phone sterilizing using ultraviolet rays. Now with regards to this recent global pandemic, you don't want to sterilize or disinfect everything that you can disinfect. So what we have here is a UV sterilizer for your phone. Okay, so let's do a simple unboxing. This is a mobile phone wireless charging sterilizing box. So apart from sterilizing your phone, you can use this as a wireless charging pod. Okay, so this is the box. This is a generic one, no labels whatsoever. So we just got this from our friend and we're going to unbox it and check it out together. This is the first time that I'm going to use it and see it. So let's do it. Alright. Okay, so let's open up this. So when it arrives, it comes with the USB cable. So you can use the USB cable, okay, to power it up. Okay, and let's see. Let's open. It doesn't even come with the instruction manual. It's a very generic thing. Alright, so this is the item. It comes with the plastic. Alright, so very simple device. Okay, this is where you plug in the charging. This is a USB-C, by the way. Okay, so USB-C. So you can plug it in any other way that you want. Okay, so let's take a look at what's inside. So what you can do is once you plug in, you can put your phone here in case you are supporting a wireless charged phone. Okay, so you can put it on top and it will charge for you. Okay, so let's open it up. Okay, so all right. So the way it works is that I don't know what this is for. Okay, so you have all of these tubes and okay, so most likely you just put your phone here. Okay, so this is my phone, and close it up and plug it, turn it on, and to disinfect. Okay, so let's test it out and see how it works. Okay, I'll be right back and get a charger for this one. Also, you can see in this video the UV lights, LED lights, supposedly for disinfecting your phone. It has these grooves, okay, to make sure your phone is well disinfected even from the underside. Okay. Power on and off button. Basically that's just it. Okay, so I already plugged in the UV disinfecting, okay, for your phone. So you can actually see the glow of see that there's a UV. If you turn it on, it will, if you open up the box, it will turn off the UV light for your protection. See that? All right, so you won't be able to turn on while this is open. Automatically it will shut off just to protect you. Okay, so as simple as that. Just leave it, put your phone inside, leave it for a few minutes and wait until it's done, and that's it. Your phone should be disinfected. All right, so thank you very much for watching, and I hope you'll be able to like and subscribe this video. And if you need to find this one, I'll try to post the links down below. And if you can find one, I think it's a good deal just to disinfect your phone. The phone, as they say, is one of the dirtiest thing that we have because we touch it every day, we use it every day, even use it in places that should not be brought. Okay, so you know what I mean. All right, so thank you very much for watching my video, and like and subscribe, all those YouTube stuffs, and Thank you very much for supporting, and see you on the next video.